Good afternoon to you all. This is Deepak Kumar before you going to discuss about the management accounting and control. It is for BBA MBA second semester, the subject that is management accounting and control, in which in first unit meaning of management accounting we are going to discuss. So, in management accounting, first of all, what would be the concept? It is defined by different author and institution, that is as per IFAC. What is the full form of IFSC? Question created. Then the full form of this IFAC is International Federation of Accountants. Now, what it says, what the International Federation of Accounting says about the management accounting. So, it represents management accounting is the process of identification, measurement, accumulation, analysis, preparation, interpretation, and communication. Communication of information, you can say. Communication of information. Now, this communication of information for both financial and used by management to plan, control and decision making for enterprises. So, we will discuss all the terms in an elaborated way. Why the term identification is given here. I think you have studied in financial accounting as per AICPA, American Institute of Certified Public Accountant, in which there was a term input, process, output, where you have studied about the input, economic event measured in the terms of money, where it is also represented as a triple A. The name of this triple A is American Accounting Association. The name of this triple A is American Accounting Association, where input is understood, input is considered as a identification. So, in management accounting, why identification is required? Identification means you will have to identify the situation in the organization relevant to get the information in the organization. So, just like that, in AICPA, it was found out where different economic event was identified, just like that. In organization, inside the organization, internal side of the organization, you can identify the situation which is required to manage. So identification, you can have the position which is required to manage. But whenever you talk about the measurement, in measurement there is a various types of recording, classifying, and a report is prepared through the measurement, how much labor is working, how much time he has devoted inside the organization. Suppose there is a efficiency of sales executive, suppose there is a efficiency of any other labor inside the organization, so that their efficiency can be measured through the support of management accounting measurement. So if we talk about the measurement, all the report is measured for the maximum efficiency of the organization, which is a target of an organization to achieve as a goal. So measurement is performed to get the final report. If you talk about the accumulation, what is accumulation? Accumulation means collection of all the relevant data which is used to get the meaningful terms for the management for getting as a report. So accumulation of goods would be there, accumulation of fund would be there, accumulation of human resources would be there. So all these can be accumulated and they are managed. So accumulation word can be utilized in the terms of management accounting. If we talk about the analysis, you have already identified, you have measured, accumulated, but the term is analysis. Analysis is in management accounting to take the decision. Analysis procedure is very much essential, like a break-even analysis. Why break-even analysis is used? It is the part of management accounting, where in a break-even analysis, it would be decided whether cost should be reduced or not. So by observing the situation, if selling profit margin is high, their cost, if their cost would be reduced by making any strategy, then there would be a high profit of margin can be acquired. So we can say that break-even analysis is also the part of management accounting, through which we can take decision to get the favorable position for the organization. Now we are moving on preparation. Preparation, after completion of all these terms like identification, measurement, accumulation, analysis, you have collected all the information. Now it is your responsibility in a quarterly, half yearly, annually to prepare a report. Why that preparation of report is required? By observing that report, you can take decision in favor of the company. You can rectify the situation, you can modify the situation by observing this preparation. In preparation, edit can be there. Now we are moving on interpretation. If there is a manager who is recruited inside the organization, whose responsibility is to represent himself in front of others, other foreign delegates, other state delegates are coming for the order inside the organization, then it is essential to have the thorough knowledge relevant to the organization, relevant to the management, managerial scope of the organization, that can be interpreted in an efficient and effective way. So you can say interpretation means skill of representing all the activity by the managers. So interpretation is a very much essential and effective thing which is required to represent in front of others in a proper manner. So, now we are moving on. Communication of information. Communication of information is what? If you talk about the financial information, this financial information may be useful for the shareholders, may be useful for the public, may be useful for the government also. You have already studied in a financial accounting. So, one thing I would like to emphasize on that financial accounting and cost accounting is the part of management accounting. So, you can create any term relevant to financial accounting and cost accounting both for the support of management accounting. So, it can be said that as a user, as a inside user or outside user, you can say internal user and external user. In internal user, there would be a owner, there would be a employee, there would be a manager. And if you talk about the external user, that would be shareholders, that would be. Okay, so we will discuss later on in the next class about the management accounting. Thank you and see you in next class.